So you want to do some large prints perhaps. You absolutely can run your printer overnight. For instance, this model here took 55 hours to print because I wanted it in really high detail. Now what I would recommend is make sure your print gets off to a really good start, and then periodically monitor it using the camera functionalities of your E3 and E3 Pro printers. Now you can manage them both if you're printing from my STEM kit and if you're printing from Robo simply by toggling on the camera icon in the relative printing platform. That way, every couple hours you can check in and see how your large print or your overnight print is doing.